Are you looking for the best salad spinners in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best salad spinners that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Zyliss Easy Spin Salad Spinner. This Zyliss Easy Spin Salad Spinner is another solid option in the salad spinner space. Like the OXO, it consists of a sturdy plastic bowl with a colander-style basket inside and a plastic lid on top. It's nearly as large as the aforementioned OXO, and although the exact capacity isn't specified, trust me when I say that you can fit a lot of greens inside this thing. One thing I find interesting and unique about this Zyliss spinner is its mode of operation. Whereas most other salad spinners I've tried have either a pump or a hand crank spinning method, this one has a pull cord mechanism. On the lid, you'll find a triangular-shaped handle, which reveals a rope-like retractable cord when you pull it. This acts as the torque to spin the basket inside the device. When I tested the Zyliss, I honestly found it quite fun to operate. It reminded me of cranking a lawnmower. If you know, you know. However, the force exerted when I pulled the cord caused the lid to move out of place, so I needed to use both hands with this device, one to pull the cord and the other to hold down the lid. That said, I like that the rubber bottom of the bowl kept it from jumping around on the counter as it did its thing. When it comes to cleaning this salad spinner, the manufacturer says the bowl is dishwasher safe. But in the name of testing, I also threw the basket in the top rack of the dishwasher, and it came out just fine. The lid, however, should definitely be hand washed, as putting it in the dishwasher could damage the cord mechanism and render the spinning function useless. Moving on at number 4, we have the OXO Steel Salad Spinner. If you're looking for a salad spinner that's efficient but also modern and attractive, the OXO Steel model is a great choice. It has the elements expected from OXO's trusted brand, plus a sleek design that looks as good on the table serving your freshly spun salad as it does on the counter as a tool. The 4.95 quart basket capacity was ample to clean and dry a large head of romaine lettuce in one of our tests. After a soak in cold water for 5 minutes, it took only 10 easy pumps to completely remove dirt and thoroughly dry chopped romaine. In another test, we cleaned and spun a pint of blueberries but found the steel bowl caused bruising on the berries. We repeated the test with a quart of strawberries and were pleased with the thorough cleaning without any bruising. With that in mind, this model may not be a wise choice for more delicate berries. The patented pump action plunger makes one-handed operation easy, and the built-in brake mechanism skids your spinning to a halt quickly. When finished, the plunger neatly locks into position, making for easier storage. This model has a base coated in non-slip material that keeps the spinner stable during operation, and we found it stayed still across 3 tests. You're not limited to spinning with this model. After using the colander to rinse an entire box of tagliatelle, we segued it to the table in the brushed stainless steel bowl for family dinner. We also used it to mix pancake batter and lauded its versatility for more than salad spinning. Our one negative comment was after following the manufacturer's instructions to wash it in the dishwasher. We found water spots all over the stainless steel bowl that took some vigorous rubbing with a clean, dry hand towel to remove. As such, we recommend not washing the bowl in the dishwasher to preserve its beauty and longevity. At number 3, we have the Prepworks by Progressive Collapsible Salad Spinner. If you need something that won't break but can handle washing and drying smaller batches of lettuce, this 3-quart Progressive Collapsible Salad Spinner with a silicone construction and collapsible design is a wonderful option. It's ideal for traveling and use in smaller kitchens or dorm rooms. In testing, we found it actually reduces to just 3 inches when fully collapsed, so storage could not be more convenient. The lid utilizes a large knob that operates the spinner in both clockwise and counterclockwise directions, and it stops on the spot via the built-in brake. We found the knob and brake easy to operate when we washed and spun a head of green leaf lettuce. Although it did take longer to flush out the water because of the design on the brake around the circumference of the colander. It left less space for openings to allow water to escape while spinning. In a test with fresh blueberries, however, we observed the fruit washed and spun quickly with no bruising at all, but we did have to hold the spinner while processing to keep it stable on the counter. It's safe to put this in the dishwasher on the top rack, making for no fuss cleanup. It easily fit in our loaded dishwasher, and it came out completely clean in one cycle. It even maintained its shape post-wash and neatly snapped back together and collapsed for easy storage, even in small spaces. It might feel a little flimsy while unpacking, but the size and ease of operation make it a great choice for camping, road tripping, barbecues, or traveling in general. At number 2, we have the Farberware Professional Salad Spinner. Meal prep for weekly lunches is made easy with the Farberware Professional Salad Spinner. With 5.5 quarts of capacity in the basket and an almost 7-quart bowl, you can easily wash and dry multiple heads of lettuce. During our tests, we washed and spun 2 large heads of romaine lettuce and observed there was still space in the bowl for more. It can also be used as a colander for other kitchen tasks such as draining pasta or washing bulky vegetables. Operation is easy with the pump action plunger and stopper. Across 2 tests, one featuring lettuce and the other berries, we noted the pump was easy to operate with minimal strength required. We also appreciated the non-slip base, which kept everything stable during spinning. Lettuce came out clean, just glistening with moisture, and berries were unbruised and ready to be eaten. If you host larger family meals, the Farberware Professional Pump will make salad, fruit, and vegetable prep stress-free. We loved the capacious size for larger batches of greens for a week's worth of lunch salads, but did note it was quite bulky to store, even with the plunger locked for flat storage. It's not dishwasher safe, either, but we did find it was easy to hand wash, and the wide slat openings on the colander made getting the bits of lettuce out a snap. And finally at number 1, we have the OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner. OXO is a widely recognized and trusted brand for durable, intuitive, and efficient kitchen tools. This salad spinner is no exception. With this model, you can easily prep, wash, and dry a large amount of lettuce, strawberries, bulky root vegetables, canned beans, and so much more. With a 4.95 quart capacity, the basket was able to handle enough food for a family meal when we put it through washing and spinning a large head of romaine lettuce, a pint of blueberries, a quart of strawberries, and a pound of cooked pasta. Standout features include the patented plunger, which is incredibly easy to operate, even one-handed. During testing, we lauded the minimal strength it took to depress the plunger while still feeling sturdy and comfortable in hand. It only took 10 pumps to completely clean and dry a large head of romaine lettuce, and no berries were bruised after 5 efficient plunges and fast action braking. The wide, flat base has a rubber ring that we noted held the spinner completely secure on the counter while processing across all 3 tests. Like other OXO products, this one is made to last, even when you use it as a colander for hot foods or a bowl as a serving dish. We absolutely love the heavy-duty, well-constructed design and how the clear bowl almost looked like glass for serving but did not get hot while passing around pasta. Everything about this spinner feels intuitive, including the built-in lock that kept the plunger secure and easy to store, the quick-acting brake, and the heavy-duty, durable construction. We also appreciate how stable it is during spinning because of the non-slip base, and the instructions on the box clearly explain each step in the process, from setup to cleaning. Cleaning and storage are equally simple. The lid pops apart for easy washing in the dishwasher, and the slots in the basket are evenly spaced to avoid hidden bits of greens or herbs. After cycling in the dishwasher, we noticed there were a few water spots that wiped away easily, and after reassembling, the plunger neatly locked into place, making a flat top that was easily stored and stacked upon. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.